Hello, brilliant learners! Some of the most common prepositions that come after put are in, on, out, down, away, and up. Put something in. Place it inside. Can you put the keys in your bag? Put something on. Place it on the surface or start wearing it. He put his phone on the table. She put on her jacket. Put something out. Take it outside or extinguish. They put the trash out. He put out the fire. Put something down. Place it on the surface. Put the box down here. Put something away. Return it to its proper place. Please put your toys away, your clothes away. Put the groceries away. Put something up. Attach or raise it. We put up a picture. They put up a tent. The preposition shows the direction, location, or result. You can't use just any preposition. The meaning changes. We rarely use to directly after put. Usually we say put something in the box, put it on the table, put it under the bed. But we do use put to in other meanings. Let me show you. Put something to good use. Use something effectively. Let's put our time to good use. Put an end to something. Stop something. We need to put an end to this behavior. Put something to someone. Suggest or ask. He put the question to the manager. Put someone to bed. Put someone to sleep. Cause someone to go to sleep. She put the baby to bed. So, yes, we do use to after put, but only in certain fixed expressions or idioms, not to show location. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.